Hey everybody, I got another die cut video for you today, and a couple items that are for my pocket letters. So yeah, you've probably seen this guy before, Piglet, but I ordered Piglet and I ordered Pooh Bear. Well, Pooh Bear just came in the mail the other day, so I got Pooh and Piglet. I have not cut anything with it yet, but yeah, so they're together again, Pooh and Piglet. They were different sellers. They sent them at the same time, but I think Pooh just got a little lost along the way, but he came here, and he looks pretty awesome. So I got Pooh and Piglet. And then I got everything everywhere because my big table is covered in stuff for a project I'm working on. So, and then I got these came today. Get in the camera. Look, there's a little emoji face. Here comes another emoji. So I bought the emoji die cuts. They're in white because I'm doing a black and white pocket letter. So that's why they are in white. So yeah, there is a bunch of little faces. There is no Pooh emoji. These are just face emojis. So we got these. Move over here. Angry face. I think that's a wink. This one is, I think that's blowing kisses. I don't even use half of these emojis. I'm like on my phone. I think that's supposed to be like his teeth. Like he's grinning and showing his teeth. I only use the Pooh emojis and the unicorn ones. And then this one, I'm not even sure what face that is. I think that's like, Mia, whatever. That's your traditional smiley face. And there's the shades. This is I'm crying so hard I peed my pants. And this is the heart face one. So I got those. And then I got, these ones are awesome. These ones cut really well. I got the feathers. Now they come together. This is a set. And I had some cut here. Now this one's just out of construction paper. There's one feather. This is second feather. So there's the feather die cuts. So they're set, come together. And then this one, so those are those ones. And then, where did I put it? Okay, this one is a flamingo one. So I cut it in a shiny paper. You can tell I used it, I got black in there. So you get that piece. And this piece, so that's his little wing. I found if your paper is too thick, it gets stuck in the note, like the beak part, and it rips. So the shiny paper cut really well. I didn't have any, it's a thinner paper. I didn't have any problems getting it out. But black, thicker paper, like a thicker cardstock, it gets stuck in the nose part. And then go over this way. Look at these. Look at that awesome turtle. And the fish. So, okay, so yeah, these are all the same seller. So, yeah, the leaves, the feathers, the turtles, the fish, and the flamingo. The same seller. And there's a couple more I'm going to show you. So yeah, there's the turtle. This cuts really well. And then you get a whale and your angelfish. I think that's supposed to be like a piranha. And your little fish, like a clownfish. So I got all the random fishes right here. Got a whole stack of whales. These are for a project. These are for a pocket letter. Under the sea pocket letter. So That's why I got them all cut. I'm going to get some more brighter colors because the pink looks really nice. And then there's my whole stack of turtles. I did a lot of these out of shiny paper. No problem getting this out. I used 3 different types of paper and they all came out really great. Thick paper gets stuck in this one. And then I have a deer. Same problem. Thick paper, it gets stuck. It gets stuck in the antlers. So I got that one for Christmas. So this is the same seller. So there's my pile of feathers. And then I got this cool little bird. Same seller. So they all ship together. So yeah, look, cute little birdie. Yeah, and then there's the deer there. Yeah, so what I did was for the deer, it was getting stuck. So I just left parts where it gets stuck in the die cut so that when it cuts, it's not getting jammed in there. So it peels out easier. So that's, I think I solved that problem. So yes, so the deer, the bird, the feathers, the flamingo, the turtle, and the fishes were all the same seller, same store. And then my emojis came today, and my beautiful Pooh Bear. I'm getting quite a collection, which I'm only buying ones that I need for projects, so for pocket letters. So the collection is getting pretty big. I actually ordered a bunch more. I think there's 5 more coming. Oh, they're so cool. I can't wait to show you. Yeah, so and then I got these. They're really tiny. A little tinier than I thought. It might be a little bit pain to use. But I got those. They're little sparkly stars. There's supposed to be 1,000 in here. I am not counting them. They were on sale. I don't even think I paid it. I think maybe $1 for them. Yeah, it wasn't expensive. So those stars, I think there's 1,000 in this package. Now this is the same seller, so it came together. This one is flowers. They're tiny. See my fingernail? Yeah, they're tiny. So they're almost like maybe tweezers. Maybe hold them together in tweezers and then glue them. I don't know. It's going to be experiment there. I think it's going to be trial and error on those. They're so tiny. And then I got hearts. So yeah, they're small. They're under $1, including a piece of string. Yeah. But hey, yeah. So those are the same sellers. I don't know. They look cool, but they might be hard to use. So yeah. So these are all the die cuts I got. Look at that. Singing a little song. Probably regret that later. But anyways. So there's my Pooh. Pooh and Piglet together again. So there they go. Yeah, it turned out the shiny paper. I found this shiny paper at Dollarama. I'm gonna have to get more of it because it's perfect. Perfect thickness. I bought some glitter paper and I think I got it from Walmart and it was so thin it kept jamming and it was just a nightmare to cut in the die cuts. I don't know, it was just a nightmare. It kept getting stuck or ripped or shifted it was just a nightmare cutting with it. But yeah, this metallic paper, awesome. So yeah, so I'll put all the links below. It wasn't very expensive. I think I got, let me just ballpark it. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 die cuts. And I think 7 die cuts, it was $9 and change Canadian. $9 and change Canadian for 7. If you go to like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, you're gonna pay like $5 for like 1. So, but yeah, and I'm using them a lot, so they're good. These feathers are awesome. Probably the best ones are the feathers and that turtle. I love that turtle. So yeah, if you had to choose, if you only wanted to buy 2, get the turtle and the feathers. They're awesome. But yeah. So that is my AliExpress video for you today. And later,